First cast. 70-something degrees. Ooh, I missed him. Okay, he just chased it. What did I get hung up on? Oh, I just scared a good one because got hung up. Ooh, okay. So they're chasing him. Grayson, you all right, bud? He hooked his finger before we left the house.
I thought you were gonna fish. Oh!
Sheesh, boys, rock bass.
I didn't see that.
Swimming a jig too.
I didn't see that there. Is that the one we could keep?
Nah, he's too big. They have to be smaller, real small. Well, all my friends say my fish are small, which is sad. Huh.
Wow.
Gee, yep.
That is a crazy fish. Hey, can I go right here?
Yeah. Good cast, Grayson. And then start reeling it in. Because that fish chased it whenever I was reeling it.
So I'm just going to wait, and then when I catch a fish, when I hear a splash, then I think I'm going to reel it in and see if it was a fish.
Oh, yes?
Yeah. Right? Because I did that a long time ago. When it splashed, I reeled it in, and then I caught one.
Look at this. Okay, his mom's gonna kill me, but look, he's fishing off that.
Abigail was fishing.
Crap me. Be careful, man. That's
Okay.
at least the water will break your fall. I'm a dude. I'm going up here real quick. Oh, Gray. I hate when he comes over here because I'm going off of this. And I don't want him really coming in here. No, Grayson. Not necessary. You guys just splashing all up in this area.
Where am I gonna fish?
You can go on the other side of Abigail, or right now I'm rocking the Spider-Man pole. I'm gonna see if I can use Grayson's setup to catch anything. Well, I think I'll get hung up first. To go through that. I know, we're leaving. It's funny, when I walk on the wall, he doesn't bark, but if I'm in the yard, he barks. Look, they're trying to, probably should have went a different way. They're like, hey, let's go down the road where the ducks are at. See? It works. Einstein, rocket science.
I believe what I do. I said, what I believe, what I do. I said, what I believe.
Finally what?
Yeah, all the way over there.
Grayson's gonna fall in. Hey, you have a girlfriend? Hey, do you have a girlfriend, sir? Daddy has a girlfriend. Daddy has a girlfriend. I'm kidding. I haven't fished over here since the summer. It's just on the other side. Oh. Are we gonna load up in one spot and spook them all together? Be fun, huh? But you can't wear your shoes to do it.
I just have to do it. My shoes off. I have to do it with my shoes off.
Yeah.
Why?
Shoot, I think I'm gonna do what Grayson's doing.
Why?
What?
Why?
I'm in socks. I'm leaving my shoes right there. I'll come back and get them. How cold is this water? Gosh. Sheesh.
Cold.
Yeah.
So cold.
Uh-oh.
I can't believe that this is like really cold.
Grayson, come this way more. Oh. Uh-oh. That sinks a lot. Maybe this is a bad idea. Oh. Yeah. Let's go the other way. Oh, my feet hurt. I'm a sissy. Sheesh. Okay. Well, it's been a long time since I've been under the bridge. Let's see what's down here. I'll swim this fake craw, the jig, skirt. See if something smashes. Nope. That's amazing. Sheesh. Down here where I've been wanting to go for a long time. Let's swim it. It's got to be something big down here. It's deep as fast as the current. What? Feet hurt. Don't this hurt your feet?
Yeah. My feet are red.
All right. Yep. I'm switching. Yeah.
Finally they left.
Okay. Senko time.
I'm gonna give it a 50.
Boom. Good job.
Can I try?
That means that you guys are difficult.
You guys are difficult.
You and your black eye.
Sorry, it's Grayson's fault. Sorry.
You weren't listening and they bopped you?
Sorry, it's Grayson's fault. It's not Grayson. It's not my fault.
I don't know where these fish are. Shoot. Today was warm and the sun's going down. How many did I see? I went to the creek earlier by the house And I caught 5. No camera was with me. And I start recording and I catch 1 early, and that was it. Buddy. Grayson, where are the fish at, dude?
I think they're over there.
Are they sleeping?
Yeah. Maybe I have to wake them up.
You waking them up for me? Do it again, so that way they wake up. I don't.
Okay. I'm Daddy.
Yep.
Can you hold my people? Okay. Keep your popcorn.
Fishing was cheeks today, huh?
Yeah, but peace out.
I got 1 on video, 5 without video this morning. So I'm giving it some fish bones. Did I say fish bone? You're. I love kids. Oh man, come on, you guys serious? Can't get near a puddle of water. Last one. You want it? Yeah, smallie. There you go. Show the camera. Okay, send him over here. Let's throw him in. Make sure you get him in the water, okay? All right, go ahead.